Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Maria Wasim and I am going to teach English grammar. This is your first lesson of grammar. The topic of this lesson is conditional sentences. There are many conditional sentences in grammar, in which four are basic and more important. From them, I am going to teach you type 1 today. These conditional sentences are very important in grammar, and after learning these sentences, we can convey our message in more proper way, which is also correct grammatically too. Here I am having first sentence. If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. In conditional sentences, we are having two clauses. You can see here I have written the first clause is present simple, it is in present simple, and the second clause of the sentence, it is in future simple. This conditional type 1 is used to express a real or very probable situation in the future. It refers to things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. We are predicting a likely result in the future. First condition is also known as type 1 conditionals. First clause of the sentence, if we work hard, that is called if condition or if clause. And the second clause of the sentence, we will finish the project on time, that is the result of the condition which is given in the first clause. Means the first part of a sentence, the first clause, if clause, the first clause is if clause, and the second part of the sentence, that is the result clause of the sentence. Here it is also important to mention that when we write if clause, soon after finishing if clause we put comma that separate if clause from result clause. Second clause of the sentence, which is saying that the project would be finished on time, but it depends on the condition that if we work hard, means if we work hard, then it is possible that we finish the project on time. Here I am saying that it is possible that we will finish the project on time on the condition of working hard now. I am predicting that this is likely result in the future. It means we can fulfill our goals, we can do the work, we can come to the point depending on the condition which is in the sentence is working hard. Now, dear students, very important point which is very important to remember, that when we use if clause, we use present simple for if clause and future simple for result clause. Means we mention our condition in if clause and the result is in future clause. So it is not possible to use future sentence in if clause. Like I have given example over here, if we work hard, we will finish the project. Work hard is present sentence. Will finish the project, it is future sentence. So we cannot say if we will work hard, that would be completely wrong. Do not use future tense in the if clause. Second example I have given, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. Rains, if it rains, that is present tense. Will stay home, that is future tense. We cannot say if it will rain tomorrow. In future clause, in if clause, in if condition clauses, it will be completely wrong. If it will rain tomorrow, that will be completely wrong. Do not use the future tense in the if clause. Now, dear student, here I have given a few sentences. If we work hard, we'll finish the project on time. If you like Atif Aslam, then you'll love his new album. If you take this medicine, you will feel much better. Where is my notebook? If you look in the cupboard, you will find it. If I see Ali, I won't tell him about the surprise. If I don't feel well tomorrow, I won't go to the work. In all the sentences, one thing is common, that is underlined as well, and that is usage of comma. It is necessary to use comma when we use conditional sentences. Type 1. First clause or if clause is separated by the help of using comma from the second clause, that is result clause, and it must be in future simple. Very first example, you can see that if we work hard, comma, we'll finish the project on time. The first clause is separated by the help of comma from the second clause, so the students or the reader can very clearly understand that what is the first clause and what is the second clause, what is the condition and what is the result of that condition. So as I told you that we use comma between if clause and result clause, but if you people are using main clause or result clause before, then there is no usage of comma. Means we are not supposed to use comma. For example, the first example is given to you. If it rains tomorrow, that is if clause, we will stay home, that is result clause or main clause. So we use comma in between them. Now see, come here, we will stay home if it rains tomorrow, right? Now if we use if clause at the beginning of the sentence, then there is no need of using comma in between the clauses. Now second example is, if you look in the garage, comma, you will find them. Now here you can see, if you look in the garage, comma, you will find them. But if we use that main clause or the result clause in the beginning of the sentence, like you will find them if you look in the garage, so there is no need of using comma. Here is another example. If you take this medicine, you will feel much better. You will feel much better if you take this medicine. Okay, now let's have a look at where we can use conditional type 1. The first condition is common when we are talking about possible plans, promises, warnings, threats, or for persuading someone. Here are I have given examples. If I go to Islamabad, I will visit Faisal Masjid. This is my plan. This is possible plan. Second example is, if I have time tomorrow, I will help you. This is promise which I am making. Third one, if you touch that wire, you will get electric shock. Now this is a warning. Fourth one, if you come late, you will stay out. This is a threat. Fifth one, if you drive us to the school, we will pay for this. This is a task for which I am persuading someone to do for me. I hope, dear students, you all get the main and important point of conditional type 1. Your exercise is in unit number 1. Unit number 1, the savior of mankind, and page number 10, exercise C and D. The both exercises are related to conditional type 1. I hope that you all will do your work and send me your feedback as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Stay home. Stay blessed.